If you're a coffee lover who dreams of brewing cafe-quality beverages at home without the hassle, this Instant Pot Pod is the perfect solution. This 3-in-1 espresso maker, compatible with K-cup pods, Nespresso capsules, and your own ground coffee, brings versatility and convenience to your morning routine. Imagine starting your day with a fresh cup of coffee or a rich espresso, all from a single sleek machine designed to deliver outstanding flavor and quality. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why choose the Instant Pot Pod? The Instant Pot Pod is not just another coffee maker, it's a game changer in your kitchen. Here's why you'll want to add this machine to your countertop. 1. 3-in-1 functionality. This multifunctional coffee maker lets you brew using K-cup pods, Nespresso capsules, or your own ground coffee with the included reusable pod. Whether you're in the mood for a classic K-cup brew or a robust espresso, this machine has got you covered. 2. Customize your brew. The adjustable brew strength feature allows you to brew a bolder cup of coffee, catering to your personal taste. Want a smooth morning latte or a strong afternoon espresso? Simply adjust the settings and enjoy. 3. Optimal brewing conditions. The Instant Pot Pod brews at the perfect temperature of 195°F and utilizes a 19-bar pump pressure for espresso, ensuring each cup is rich in flavor and aroma. Your mornings will never be the same with a machine that replicates the coffee shop experience right in your kitchen. 4. Pour over iced coffee. Love iced coffee? The bold feature lets you brew a perfect pour over iced coffee by selecting 8, 10, or 12 oz. Simply fill your glass with ice, choose your brew size, and enjoy refreshing iced coffee that hits the spot. 5. Large water reservoir. The generous 68 oz removable water reservoir means you can brew more coffee and refill less often. This feature is especially handy during busy mornings or when entertaining guests. 6. Travel mug friendly. With the ability to fit up to a 7-inch tall travel mug, this coffee maker is perfect for those on the go. Whether you're rushing to work or hitting the road, you can enjoy your favorite beverage in a travel-friendly size. 7. Easy to clean. The design of the Instant Pot Pod includes a removable drip tray and a container for used capsules, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. 8. Sustainable brewing. Embrace sustainability by using your own coffee grounds with the included reusable pod. Enjoy your coffee while also being kind to the planet. 9. Discover coffee recipes. With the free Instant Brands Connect app, you'll gain access to amazing coffee recipes, allowing you to explore new flavors and create delicious meals. Unleash your coffee creativity. Imagine waking up and not just having a cup of coffee, but exploring a world of flavors and recipes right at your fingertips. The Instant Pot Pod transforms your coffee experience, making it easy to experiment with different blends and brewing methods. From creamy lattes to robust espressos, this machine can help you create the perfect cup for any occasion. Perfect for every coffee lover. The Instant Pot Pod is more than just a coffee maker. It's a versatile companion for anyone who appreciates great coffee. Its stylish design complements any kitchen decor, making it a perfect gift for weddings, birthdays, or holidays. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful present, this coffee maker will surely impress coffee aficionados. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Pod is a remarkable 3-in-1 coffee maker that redefines your brewing experience. With its compatibility for K-cup pods, Nespresso capsules, and ground coffee, it offers unparalleled versatility to satisfy every coffee lover's cravings. Its advanced features, like adjustable brew strength and a powerful 19-bar pump pressure, ensure that each cup is rich in flavor and quality. The convenience of a large water reservoir and easy cleanup further enhances its appeal, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen. Whether you're brewing a cozy morning espresso or an invigorating iced coffee, the Instant Pot Pod empowers you to craft your favorite beverages with ease. Embrace the joy of coffee making and elevate your daily routine with this innovative machine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.